Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc1900104, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. First of all, check the internet connection. So go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. And the last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will rename the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.